Hi everyone. This place is massive. It goes on for, I don't know, 300 metres. And this is, Obi, this way. Obi, 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 this way. Good boy. He's loving it because he's off the lead. This place goes on for, I don't know, 200 metres. So I walked down to where the second chimney was, and I had to keep walking and walking and walking. Ooh, scary. That's deep, isn't it? Anyway, so we've got two buildings here. So there's the wall, and there's the wall, and then there's the wall. So I wonder if these were stables, because there's bigger buildings here, but there's a wall there and there's a wall there, and then a gap, and then a wall there. And I first thought, because this is where the train goes by, I thought, is that where they kept the engines, the train engines in there, or the carriages? Because look at this lovely wall that goes around, and it sort of encloses this whole area, and that is just like a little chimney. It's not like the big mining chimneys, it's just like a little one. So, but then saying that, this must have been a big something, because there's lots of these everywhere. Another one there. Obi! Another one there. So that also goes along, but look how that's stepped. Trying to think what this would have been used for. But I think maybe this was like a big building for the trains, because this is where the trains went from. Look at that. Beautiful river down there. We're going to be down there in a minute, but whoa, I'm always a bit wary about going too close to the edge. Another building down there. See if I can get a better view of it. Yeah, that looks like two engine buildings down there. What a fantastic place. Look at that. Obi! Good boy. Good boy. And then look up there, up that. Beautiful. That is definitely a much smaller chimney. But I was walking up here, and I was thinking, this goes on and on and on and on and on. There's loads, absolute loads. Nearly fell down there just now because I sort of got a bit dizzy for some reason. I think I just lost my footing. Gotta watch your step. This is just so rugged. It's not easy to walk on because there's lots of bits sticking up, and it's really easy to catch your feet on there. Look at that little wall. But let me get in here a minute. I'm gonna have to do a David Bellamy. Obi! Look at that little building. I have to say, up there, they did like their little buildings, didn't they? I wonder if they were like offices or sleeping quarters for the managers, maybe. Because that little building over there has got a fireplace in it. This one doesn't. look at that. Let's go in there because it's nice and dark. Oh, you can tell it's Obi. You can tell it's warmer in here because the grass is growing longer. I'm surprised the sheep are not in here grazing, to be fair. There's a nice lot of grass in there. This is 2-storey by the look of it, because these holes are where the wood went across for the floor for the next for the bit upstairs. But yeah, I walked down to get a film of that chimney and came across all of this. Look, another small building right next to that one, and then a really big building. So I'm quite intrigued to know what these indentations are. Because there's 1, 2, 3. Look at that little hole in the wall. Oh, it goes straight into another building. Ah, yeah. So this one's this one's 2-storey, and that one there looks, well, actually it looks like a 2-storey. It's just set lower. They've just built it lower down because we're going downhill. So let's go and have a look, because that's got, oh, I'm going to slip over one day and it's going to hurt. Obi, oh, I've got something in my foot now. I have to take my oh wow, look at that. It sort of goes along like that as well. Oh, that's strange. There's bricks there. They don't go all the way up. It's like someone's just patched it in with some old bricks. But I wonder if this was, oh yeah, this bit here is where a wall was coming out. Oh, look at that moss. Look at that, it's like a carpet. Wow, that's really soft and spongy. How beautiful. And again, the sheep are not in here. Look at the grass, it's really long, which is really weird on the moors. Yeah, David, but the sheep have been here because there's their poo. I don't know why they're not down here with their lambs, because it's really sheltered and it's lovely. There's another building. Don't know how many buildings that's been now. Let's go. How can I get out? Let's go this way. Oh, it's like David Bellamy all over again. So, I think the trains came down from up there and they went down here. With their, I don't know, minings. There's a concrete pad here for some weird reason. We're going to have to go back on the lead in a minute, eh? Look at that. Whoa. Oh, rabbit. Lots of rabbits. And I think that down there was the where the trains came from Minions, which is only just up there, and then it came all the way down here, and the trains from here came Obi! Came down here and down there, and there he is. Got good callback, recall even. So anyway, hope you like that. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.